Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Hank and Henry Sweet Tooth palette, and this is what it looks like. If you are new to my channel, this is where I try to put all of these shades in the palette on my eyeballs and make a look that I can wear in public. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these real quick, and then we will go ahead and get into the look. Alright, so those are the colors swatched. Not exactly sure how I'm going to make this work on my face, but I'm going to. Yep. Yes, so I am going to get started with this color right here. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so let me look at it again because I'm about to dive right into it and I am not 100% sure of anything. I think what I'm going to do is this color in the crease. Alright, I think what I am going to do now is I am going to go over the lid with that light, well, more in the center. It's oh yeah, the color is Jelly Bean. Okay, so now I've got that done. I am going to go in with Buttercup. And then I'm going to go in with Mint Tea. Okay, so now I think I am going to, I'm going to go with Sugar. And then I'm going to go with Hard Candy in the bottom part of my eyes. Okay, so I think I'm going to go over top of that to make it shiny with this eye scene right here. I'm going to take some more of that icing color right here and do a little bit under my brows. I think I need a little bit more yellow Buttercup, that one right there. I feel like it needs more. Okay, so I think I have, well, I know I have all the colors, so I think I am going to go into eyeliner now. I think I'm going to do purple. I've got ColourPop here for the bottom, and see if it still has the name on it. It's Piggy Bank. That's going to be my bottom waterline, and then I'm going to go up top with Sheila Violet. Eyeliner is done, and we are going to go in with mascara now. We are using Wonder Beauty Mile High Club. eyes are done, we're going to use the new Hank and Henry color Patagonia, that right here. I want to lighten it up just a little bit. I've got the color Prissy by Hank and Henry. And I'm just going to use a little bit of it in the center to change the look just a little bit. There we go, my finished look. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this new palette they have. All the colors, super pretty, super pigmented. I cannot complain. I've never had an issue with anything that I've gotten from Hank and Henry, and I think that the eyeshadows that they come up with are always really creamy, always really smooth, always blend well. I don't really experience fallout with the shades. There was a little bit on here, but that's just because I got carried away with digging my finger into it because I like to play with the shadows. But other than that, I have nothing negative to say. Absolutely love this palette. Think it's awesome. And that is it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.